Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can restore the Opera Air browser to its factory or default settings, for instance, to fix various performance issues or bugs. So let us get you through this. Launch the Opera Air browser, and basically what you'll need to do, guys, is access your browser settings. To do that, click on these three lines in the top right, scroll down to the very bottom of that panel, and click on Go to Full Browser Settings. Inside your browser settings, guys, what you want to do is switch from Basic here on the left hand side to Browser. And here, keep scrolling down till the very bottom of that list here, and the lowermost option will be this one here, Reset Settings. So to confirm that, simply click on Restore Settings to the original defaults and confirm that by clicking on Reset in that popping up window. Now, I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep my settings, but you may do that, for example, to remove pinned tabs, to reset browser settings, to disable and remove all installed extensions, to clear temporary site data like cookies and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to do that, click on Reset here. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to click on Cancel. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we restored Opera Air browser to its factory settings. Thanks for watching and see you next time.